Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 403 in Google Chrome, which is known as the forbidden error, 403 forbidden error. So let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type Chrome to open the Google Chrome browser. Click on that. Now here in your Chrome browser, you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll down and click on Settings. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Privacy and Security. Under Privacy and Security, you'll find Delete Browsing Data, Delete History, Cookies, Cache, and more. Click on that. Now you have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be Basic or Advanced. Go to Advanced. Time range, change that to all time. Browsing history checked, download history checked, cookies and other site data checked, cached images and files checked, site settings and the hosted app data checked, but do not check the passwords and the autofill form data because that will just delete your saved passwords. Now finally click on delete data. Close out of here. For the next method, type ncpa.cpl. Control panel item, simply click on that. Now here in the network connections window, you'll find your connection. Now it could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The process is just the same. Simply make a right click, select properties. Now here in the properties window, scroll down and look for the Internet Protocol version 6. Make sure this is disabled. So if this box is checked that corresponds to the IPv6, make sure to uncheck this. Scroll up and you'll find the Internet Protocol version 4. Click on properties. And here you'll find this option, use the following DNS server addresses. Click on that. So we are going to use the Google's DNS server addresses, which is a great DNS. For the preferred DNS, type here 8.8.8.8. And for the alternate DNS server, type in here 8.8.4.4. Then you have to click on OK and simply close out of here. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type cmd command prompt. On the right pane, you have to click on Run as Administrator. Now here, type this command: ipconfig space /flush DNS. It's ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter. Next command, NATSH space winsock space reset. Hit enter. Now successfully reset the WinSite catalog, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Type exit, hit enter, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.